Alright, here we go. Welcome to this unboxing video. I got a bunch of Amazon packages here, and I'm just gonna unbox them for you on camera. Got a couple different things in these boxes. So this is like a what's in it, guess what's in the box unboxing. Alright, here we go. First box. Let's see what's in here. Sometimes I just order a bunch of random stuff and it comes and I forget what it is. This first box, okay, from First Power. Oh, okay, yeah, this is some batteries. So here's some aftermarket batteries and a battery charger. This is the charger. It's got 3 banks for 3 batteries. Comes with a USB cable, and it also comes with 3 batteries aftermarket. You got 2 or 3? Oh, yep, 3 batteries. So this is for the Nikon D5100. Alright, yep, let's just take these out the plastic. 1, 2, 3. Show you how they fit inside the bank. Just like that. Yeah, there you go. Boom. Look at that. Ready to go. Nice and clean or lightweight. You can charge them with a USB charger. Hook directly to your computer, or laptop, or any other brick that you have. Plug it into the wall. Let's get to this next package real quick. See what this is. What is this? That's from Cermic. I think that's for my drone controller. Yep, that's a lanyard. Cermic lanyard for the DJI SmartRC. This is some USB-C to Lightning cables. iPhone chargers. Super fast. Braided cables. Pretty durable. And what's this? Let's open this up, see what this is. Those iPhone cables don't come with a brick though. Just a USB-C to Lightning. That's the bracket for the smart controller. Cermic. Ready to go. Let's see what else we got. Amazon Prime. Pop it open, pull it out. Oh yeah, hard to find Sulfur 8. That's for the dew. That's for the doo-doo. When your crop get dry, look at that, ready to go. We're gonna eat up them nasties in your hair, keep you moistured and hydrated. That's for the hairdo. Alright, what's next? What we got in here? Pull it out. What's that? Oh, that's for the SmartRC Pro. That is a silicone cover for the SmartRC Pro. Cheap, inexpensive. You know, keep the grease off the remote. And just keep it protected from dust. And then these are the screen protectors. Yeah, those are screen protectors for the SmartRC Pro. Yep. So that's my random unboxing. A few things that I got from Amazon Prime and along with eBay. I think that silicone protector came from eBay. Boom. And it comes with a couple of plastic glass pieces for the SmartRC screen. Alright, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look out for some more random unboxing videos. Alright, peace.